Students, my name is Anita and today I am going to teach moral science first unit, that is steps to success. So first of all, what is the meaning of success? Success means achieve what you want. Success means achieve what you want. So here is the story of a wise old donkey, and it is a story about that how he gets success. There is a farmer had an old donkey named Dolly. So a farmer had an old donkey named Dolly. One day, Dolly accidentally fell into the farmer's well. So one day what happened? Dolly that fell into the well. Farmer that was very clever, and he thought that Dolly that is old and weak and he is burden for me. Why have to feed him? He is not healthy and enough to work for me. So what he decided? This farmer decided to bury Dolly in the well. The farmer called his neighbors and together they started shoveling dirt into the well. So farmer called his neighbors and together they started put the dirt into the well. Dolly was terrified because he knew that he going to be buried alive. So he was sad and disappointed. But soon an idea came into Dolly's mind. Every time when a shovel of dirt landed on his back, when the farmer and his neighbors put dirt on his back, what he done? He would shake it off and step up. Shake it off, shake the dust from his back and step up. He repeated these words to himself again and again, shake it off and step up. This way he could struggle the panic and encourage himself. So with his words, shake it off and step up, he encouraged himself. And at the end, what happened? At the end, he had stepped over the wall of the well. So he had stepped over the wall of the well because the dust which farmer and his neighbors put into the well that collect in the well, and Dolly had stepped over the wall of the well. Although he was terribly tired, but he saves his life and he was the winner. He knew it was dangerous to trust his master. He cannot believe his master. So what he do? He ran away. He ran away into the forest and joined his old friends. So what is the moral of the story? Keep trying, you surely get the success. When you keep trying, you surely get the success. Okay, and work hard and believe in yourself. Now, here some things. Trust in God. You have to trust in God because God created us and He will stay with us all through the life. Have dreams. A person without a dream is like a boat without an oar. So person must have dream. If he have dream, he set the goals and to do everything possible to attain them. Achieve the goals. Work hard. For success, you have to work hard because success that is not an accident. When we work with determination, success naturally comes. Know oneself. One who strives for success should know what one's powers and weaknesses are. So you have to know that what are your powers and weaknesses and utilize the powers and overcome the weaknesses. Self-confidence. Build confidence. You should have belief in yourself. And so it will give us the power to overcome difficulties in life. Handle defeats. So defeats and setbacks are unavoidable parts of our journey towards success. Therefore, Never lose heart or feel disappointed when you get defeat in your life. Use them as stepping stones to reach success. Disciplined life. Disciplined life, that is very necessary for a successful life. If you live your life with a discipline and dedication, you surely get the success. Know the value of the time. Time, that is very precious thing in our life. So don't waste your time. Do the things today. Don't postpone and delay the things. And so know the value of the time. Be faithful in little things. The greatness of a person is not in waiting for big occasions to bring out his talents and perform better. You have to prove yourself in common situations. Don't wait for big occasions. Show your courage and belief in common situations and get the success. Next is develop your talents. Everybody have a talent. So develop your talent, because when you develop your talent, you surely get the success. The success of a person depends on how he or she develop and utilizes them. So this is all about your chapter steps to success. So keep trying, believe in yourself, work hard, live disciplined life, be faithful in living things, and have dreams. So this is all about your chapter.